Good evening and welcome to Army of Kings and Queens Introductory Webinar. This webinar is to discuss how to use WordPress to create a secure, easy to manage, and easy to operate website for e-commerce, affiliate marketing, promotions, selling your own product, selling someone else's product, just posting, writing your thoughts and feelings so that anyone in the world with internet connection could read it, practically, except countries like China where it's restricted. So a little bit about what Army of Kings and Queens is. It is a membership site. It's an affiliate program. It's a training program. And most of all, it is a done-for-you online business development system. So what all is it that we do, and how do we help you? How do we help our members, our affiliates? So let's dig into it, and we shall change this real quick here. And, all right, now switch over to the Army of Kings document. And essentially, what is the Army of Kings and Queens? It's, like I said, an affiliate program. We are an affiliate marketing program first and foremost, one that focuses on helping people build their own online business, but we eliminate the need to have any technical understanding or skills. We take care of all that for you. We have the domains. You choose the primary domain we give you, and then tell us what your niche is, what you'd like your domain to be named, and we will provide you with some options so you can choose. You don't want a domain that's a sentence long, but at the same time you want a domain that has one or two of your keywords that for the products or services you're going to promote. Makes it easier to find it. So we'll be continuing these live webinars once a week, discussing different aspects of it. We also provide monthly advertising for you. This does multiple things. One, it drives traffic to your sites. Traffic brings in sales. It brings in list building. It adds people to your email list, subscribers list, so that you can mail them and promote other products, services, affiliate products. It also allows you to make more sales as an affiliate of Army of Kings and Queens, because for every affiliate that signs up under you, you will be getting either 40 or 60% commission, depending on which level you subscribe to. It is a monthly subscription. We do have a monthly, an initial setup fee that is slightly larger than the monthly subscription, and that's just to take care of the setup. It takes time to set up a website and build a website, and each of our sites are custom built just for you. They're not these cookie cutter, okay, you want green, red, orange, or blue, it's going to look like this, but this color. No, we actually sit down, discuss with you what you would like your site to look like, and then build it for you. You're not going to find anybody that will do that for $10 or $20. We do, because we know you need a decent looking site. It needs to be mobile responsive. There are several things that you need to have on it to make it secure, to make it easy to navigate, to make it easy to find, and to make it easy to share. You want people to come to your site, and you want people to share your site on their social network pages, because that brings more traffic back to your site, which brings us back to what the advertising is about: traffic. On top of this, we will also be running a referral rotator, so that as new people come in from our advertising, they will automatically be placed under the first 25 people. When those 25 have a total of 25 referrals under them, then we'll drop down to that row and add 25 people in sequence. So, affiliate number 1 through 25 will each get one referral. Then it goes back to number 1, and he'll get his second referral, or her. And that will continue until the top 25 people have received 2 referrals. Then we will start with number 1 and go through 1 through 25, 26 through 50, and 51 through 75. And we'll just keep going that way until affiliate number 1 has 25 total referrals, either from his own or her own marketing, or from our automated referrals. Either way, the nice thing about this program is you can go as wide as you want. If you have 200 people that need a website, you can have them all sign up with your affiliate ID, and they will all be your referrals, and you'll receive either the 40 or the 60% commission each and every month. That includes the commission off of the first month. You will receive 40 or 60% of the first month's, and the 60% is for the premium members, which is $69 sign up and $29 a month. The 40% is for the standard members, which is $39 a month initially, and $19 a month from then on. So 60% of 29 is, real quick, should have had these numbers. 29 times 0.6 equals, that's $17.40 per person that signs up as your affiliate, if you are a premium. If you are a standard, then you'll get $7.60 per person. So you more than double your money, your commission, by upgrading to the premium. Now, the domains that we use. We have our entire network based on WordPress, which is the most widely used and adopted website platform online today. Major corporations, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, United Air, there are literally thousands of companies that are using WordPress as their website platform. A lot of people will say, well, isn't WordPress insecure? No. If you know how to secure it, which is one thing that we do, the denial of service attacks, the brute force bots, backdoor scripts. There are several different ways that you can make one minor change, and it will. No website is 100% secure, but with the changes that we make, our sites are a lot more secure than most others out there. Back to our domains. Our domains are set up as a primary domain, and what we do is we set up a multi-user or multi-site or networked blog WordPress installation on that primary domain. Then as members come in and they choose that domain, we create another website nested under that primary domain. For example, smallplotgardens.com would be a primary domain. And one of the members comes in and says, I'd like to do a website about raised garden beds. Well, we created a site, smallplotgardens.com/raised-garden-beds. That site can be focused on promoting gardening tools, greenhouses, custom raised garden beds, whatever you want. Try to keep your products or services tied to that niche in the primary domain, but you may make a few sales of t-shirts from a garden website, but you'll probably make more sales from garden tools than you will of t-shirts. Each site will have its own dashboard, so you can add your own posts, pages, edit them to your heart's content. Once we get the site set up, you can go in and, one of the first webinars that we'll be doing for members is going through the theme settings, the plugin settings, and the theme is essentially what your website looks like, your colors, your fonts, where or if a sidebar is there. Is it the parallax, the one-page site that just keeps scrolling, or does it have multiple pages with a menu at the top, a menu on the side? There's so many different ways you can create a website with WordPress and these themes. The themes we use are all premium themes. You would pay $40 or more for any one of the themes that we use. We include that as part of the package. A lot of our plugins are just small pieces of code or an app that plugs into WordPress, and it's written to do one thing and one thing only. You could think of a plugin as a special type of wrench if you're a handyman or a mechanic, a special baking dish if you're a baker, a special type of needle if you're into sewing, or a crochet hook, a different size crochet hook for crocheting. Essentially a plugin is designed to do one thing and one thing only, and it does it quite well. Some of the basic plugins that are included will be a plugin for you to collect names and emails, so you can build your own list. Maybe you want to do videos. We include a plugin for videos. We also include plugins to automatically post or automatically allow your visitors to share your posts to social networks. There's literally thousands of plugins out there. Now, a lot of them may not work with the multi-site. So we take the time, go through and test the plugin before we make it available to the network. The network, each primary domain has a maximum number of sites that will allow. And that is just to make sure that the website remains responsive and fast loading. Once you get past 25 websites in a single database, things start to slow down. So we'll be restricting it to 25 sites per primary domain. So that's another reason, that first in gets the best pick. Our cutting edge looks and functionality. All of our themes are using HTML5 and CSS3. Enables them to be mobile responsive, so they look just as good on a mobile device, a smartphone, a tablet, desktop, or a laptop, or a TV screen. This helps with the search engines, also makes it easier for our members and affiliates to provide products and services for sale or promotion on not only desktops, laptops, but also smartphones, tablets. The more places you can make your products and services available, the more sales you'll be able to generate. The website development instruction. Part of our webinars will be discussing what I said before. What does it take to operate a business in today's world? Security, styling, functionality, mobile access, list building, presentation of sales materials. We'll also be doing webinars on building a sales funnel, the use of one-time offers, or OTOs as they're called, and the use of upsells and downsells. These can dramatically increase your income. You offer a lead-in product, $4.95, $7.95, $9.95. Once they purchase that, you present them with a one-time offer. Okay, you like the ebook or you like the report. How would you like, to be able to sell this report to your friends? For so much more, you can get the private label rights or the resale rights. And then you can use upsells and downsells. Upsells offers them even more things A lot of times it's products that are in line with the main product. And usually your one-time offer is the main product that you're offering in your sales funnel, but you offer it at a good discount. You know, a lot of it is based on perceived value. A lot of it is actual value. What somebody perceives as being valuable to them, they may consider something bought online for $197 as being valuable. If you offer it to them at $97, that's $100 off, a little over 50% off. You'll get a lot more sales at the 97 that you would at the 197, simply because people want to save money. The upsells and downsells, you could offer that 197 product with white label rights so that they could not only resell it, but they could brand it with their own name, their own business company name, and use it as a service that they could sell to their clients. A downsell would be essentially one of the accounts that they could sell, but it would be from your installation. But that will take a webinar in and of itself to go through to discuss that. Social media interaction. Some of our plugins are just unreal what they can do. And we also talk about some of the free services that will make it even easier to make one post and it does this and this and this and this and this. And it's all done automatically. You don't have to remember to do it. You don't have to time anything. You don't have to schedule anything. You just go in, write the post, publish it, and it's all taken care of. The main reason people visit social networking sites is to be social. They want to interact with their friends, family, find something to distract them from their daily routine. A few of our seminars or our webinars are going to cover different methods that we personally use to provide attention-grabbing, interesting content that people are more than happy to interact with and that they enjoy sharing with their friends. And all of that will eventually lead them back to your website. So, in a nutshell, that is an intro to what is Army of Kings. Now, why would you want to become a part of Army of Kings? Well, for one, we'll be doing your advertising for you. We'll be building your website for you. There's build your business, advertise your business, bring in people in commissions without doing anything other than going in and adding a post once in a while. We're not going to do everything for you. You do have to write your own content. You do have to find your own products or services. We don't know what you want to sell or promote, or if you have your own product that you want to promote. We just provide the platform and all the technical background that every business online today needs, and we do it as part of your membership. If you were to request my website management, my WordPress management services, it would cost you $65 a month, and that gives you 1 hour per month. And I'm providing all of that for $19 a month, and then turning around and giving you 40 or 60% of it back with your first referral. Your second referral, and you've got, if you're premium, 2 people pay for your monthly, and you still make $5 a month. 3 people, you're $23 a head. 4 people, $40 a head. That's on top of having your monthly subscription paid for. We also provide reviews of products and services that are available, so that we definitely do not want you getting involved in some type of scam, or, there are affiliate programs out there that, you'll never make a dime on. There are others that, you'll get paid, but you've got to jump through hoops to do it. You've got to make so many sales with so many different types of credit cards before your first payment gets sent. That sometimes makes it a little difficult to get that first check. I know when I first started out, I ended up losing almost $200 to a company because I had not been able to get that fourth credit card. Everybody was paying with PayPal by then. So that only counts as one of the 4. I couldn't get that fourth credit card. And, every week they took money out of my account because I hadn't met the requirements. Now, today I do get those checks every 2 weeks, but it was frustrating to sit there and watch the money just get eaten away because I wasn't able to get that fourth sale. We automatically include all of our network sites in our monthly advertising. We will actually be creating specific ad campaigns for each of the primary domains. That means that your site will be included in that advertising, because on the very front page of every primary domain will be links to the most recent posts from inside the network. So if we have 25 sites on that network, we'll have 25 links on the front page, each one of them going to a different website within the network. And when I'm talking about the network, I'm interchanging network and primary domain. They're both the same. The system is the envelope that contains all of our primary domains. Currently, we're at 22 or 24. We just picked up 4 new domains last week, so I'll be adding those to the list of domains to choose from. But as you decide that you want to become a member, simply go to armyofkings.com and scroll down a little bit just below this orange mountain or picture of a cavern in the southwest. You'll see Army of Kings membership. This is where you check the box for the membership that you want. And here's the 69 for the first 30 days, then 29 every 30 days until you cancel. This is the one that will pay you the 60% commission for all your affiliates. The 39 will pay you 40% commission for all your affiliates. This is not a MLM. This is a single level affiliate program, but you can have as many affiliates as you like. If you have 1,000 people that sign up under you, you can have 1,000 people paying, and you'll be earning the 40% or the 60% off of all 1,000 people. If you can add 5, you'll get the same thing, 40 or 60% of those 5 people. Plus, we will be advertising and adding people as they come in until you reach the 25 member target. Once you reach 25 members in your affiliate level, your first level affiliates, then we figure that we have done our part, and you should be making enough to where people are going to be asking you, how are you making this extra money? And you just tell them, and the service will sell itself. But to order, you just come to this box, check the level you want, type in your email, and click proceed to checkout. That will take you to 2GSM. I didn't put in an email. And I just want to order that. And step 1, step 2, confirmation, and step 3 is order complete. So proceed to checkout. Fill out your information. Pay through PayPal or major credit or debit card, and click Pay Now. And what this will do, it will set up a subscription that will automatically charge your debit or credit card until you cancel, or PayPal account if you choose PayPal. When you go to PayPal, if you do not have a PayPal account, you would just click this right here, pay using your credit or debit card. And that will open up another dialog that shows you everything and how to create a subscription using your PayPal. And it tells you right here, $69 for the first 30 days, then $29 every 30 days thereafter. You'll be charged $69 today, and then 30 days from now, you'll be automatically charged the $29. This is for the premium. For the basic or the standard, it'll be $39 for the first 30 days, and then $19 a month thereafter. So that's as easy as it gets. And, you know, just a quick rundown. Say, well, you get the 25 members at $19 a month. Well, wait a minute. Your first level will be $39 a month. because everybody's going to be paying the $39 or $69, and you're going to be making 39 is standard, so that's 40%. So that right there is $390 a month, and it's costing you $19 a month to make that. So that is a 2,000% increase. Now, if we take that same 25 and multiply it by the 69 for the premium, and then multiply it by 60%, you're making an extra $1,000 a month for just running a website. $1,035. That's the first run through. Now the 25 times 29 times 60%. Oops. 29 times 0.6. Once you've gone through the first month with everyone, you'll still be pulling in $435 a month each and every month. And that's not counting the sales or commissions that you're making from your website, the advertising revenues that you can make from your website, the pay-per-click options like AdSense or Yahoo ads, and there are several others that you can post their ad code on your site and earn a little bit of cash for every time somebody clicks an ad. It's not as lucrative as it used to be, but it can still, make you $100 or $200 extra every month, which we're not doing anything but copying a piece of text and pasting it in a box on your site. That's not bad. Not hard money. Easy to work for. So let's see what our premium members at $29 a month, 25 members times 0.6, 435, 19 a month times 25 members times 0.4. That's $190 a month. So that's still 1,000% of what you're paying. You're getting 10 times what you pay back each and every month once you've got your 25 people. And you can continue to add more and more people to your downline. Like we said, there's no limit to how wide you can go. We just limit it to a single level. So are we promising that you're going to make $1 million overnight? No. We are just providing you with an invaluable opportunity to have your own website without all the technical headaches, your own business, and essentially you're paying us $19 a month or $29 a month to take care of the technical side for you, to make sure it's secure, to make sure that the programs you're looking at joining are decent programs and that there's something that you're going to make money with. Or we've been online since 2002. That's 13 years. We've seen quite a few come and go. We're still here. 2GSM, MKW Industries. You want to find out about me, just type in a search for MK Web and you will see my name all over. You can find me on Facebook, on Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn. You know, I don't on Skype. I'm MKW Industries. Feel free to pop me a message and ask to connect. You know, just say something about Army of Kings, and I'll be more than happy to connect with you. So with that, let's check and see if there's any questions. And I don't see any. Any in here? Nope. Okay, well, with that, we will close down tonight's webinar and we'll start our members only webinars next week at this time. Any of the members, feel free to pop into Army of Kings members area. You'll find a Q&A session or page there. Drop your questions in, what you'd like to discuss. Feel free to ask us anything. We'll answer it either privately or we'll post the answer publicly if it's something we feel, you know, would benefit all the members. If you do not want your name included in the question, simply, you know, mention that you want to remain anonymous, and we will not post your name, but we will post your question and the answer to it. So with that, I'd like to thank you all for coming by, and we'll see you inside. Remember, the first 25 people that join get double referrals, simply because of the way that the rotation goes. They go through 25 and then it goes back to number 1 and goes through 25 the second time. So, you know, you get in there and you're one of the first 25 and you're a premium, you will be coming out ahead by the time the second cycle of referrals come through. And just to let you know, we are advertising on Bing, on Facebook, on Google, on LinkedIn. So we're hitting the major advertising venues with our advertising. We're not just advertising to Safe List or, you know, places where other businesses just advertise their business. That's the only reason they're there. I do not use Safe List personally, simply because that it's a place where a business wants to go and advertise. They don't really care to look at other advertising. They just want to put their ads out. So I know when I tried Safe List, I hardly ever read any of the ads that come through. I paid my $10 a month and posted my ad and never got any leads or anything from it. So, you know, now I use advertising that actually works, which is where a lot of you came from. So we will see you next week. Members only next week. Thank you. Goodbye.